Welcome to our review of the top 6 best HDMI cables. Whether you're setting up a home theater, gaming rig, or simply need a reliable connection for your devices, choosing the right HDMI cable is crucial for optimal performance. In this video, we'll highlight 6 top-rated HDMI cables that stand out for their build quality, speed, and compatibility with 4K and 8K resolutions. These cables ensure fast data transfer, smooth video playback, and crystal clear audio, making them perfect for streaming, gaming, and more. Stick around as we explore the best options to help you find the perfect HDMI cable for your setup. Let's dive in. Number 1. Zeskit Maya 2.18K HDMI cable. Compatible with the latest technologies. Introducing the Zeskit Maya 2.18K HDMI cable, a premium 6.5-foot cable designed to deliver ultra-high-speed performance for all your entertainment and gaming needs. Supporting up to 8K resolution and 4K at 120 Hz, this cable offers a smooth, immersive experience for gaming and video streaming. With a bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second, it's perfect for EARC soundbars, Ethernet, and high frame rate gaming at 144 Hz. Certified for ultra-high speed, the Zeskit Maya cable is compatible with the latest technologies, including HDR, VRR, HDCP 2.2/2.3, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos, making it ideal for devices like Apple TV, Xbox Series X, and Ps5. Number 2. Cratree 15-foot HDMI cable, ensuring crisp visuals and immersive audio experiences. Introducing the Cratree 15-foot HDMI cable, an ultra-high-speed cable designed to support 8K resolution at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz for the best in home entertainment and gaming. With a robust 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this braided HDMI cable ensures seamless performance for ERC-enabled sound systems and is fully compatible with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, offering enhanced protection for 4K and 8K content. Ideal for use with HD TVs, Ps5, Xbox, and other modern devices, the Cratree HDMI cable delivers a reliable, high-quality connection, ensuring crisp visuals and immersive audio experiences. Number 3. Silkland 10K HDMI 2.1. Certified cable, delivers superior audiovisual experiences. Introducing the Silkland 10K 8K HDMI 2.1 certified cable, designed for exceptional performance in both gaming and entertainment. This 6.6-foot ultra-high-speed HDMI cable supports resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, 140 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, providing crystal-clear visuals and smooth frame rates. With a 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it is perfect for EARC audio systems and HDR content, ensuring vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The braided design enhances durability, while its full compatibility with HDCP 2.3 makes it future-proof for the latest content protection standards. Ideal for Xbox, PS5, PS4, Roku TV, and other devices, the Silkland HDMI cable is built to deliver superior audiovisual experiences. Number 4. Highwings 10K HDMI cable. Reliability, durability, and top-tier performance. Introducing the Highwings 8K 10K 4K HDMI cable, a certified ultra-high-speed solution designed for cutting-edge entertainment and gaming. With a 6.6 feet, 2 meters length, and 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this braided HDMI cable supports stunning 8K resolution at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, and 10K for future-proof visuals. Experience immersive sound with DTS and vivid HDR. 10 content for vibrant colors and high contrast. Fully compatible with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3. It ensures smooth playback of protected content. Ideal for devices like Roku TV, PS5, HD TVs, and Blu-ray players. The Highwings HDMI cable delivers reliability, durability, and top-tier performance. Number 5. TotalMount Cinema Grade HDMI. Cable, connectivity for your home theater setup. Introducing the TotalMount Cinema Grade HDMI cable, a gold-plated, high-performance solution designed specifically for Apple TV. This 6-foot cable is fully compatible with HD, 4K, 8K, and even 10K resolutions, ensuring stunning visuals and smooth playback. Its gold-plated connectors enhance signal quality for a premium viewing experience, while the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for use with Apple TV, it supports the latest standards for ultra-high-definition content, delivering crisp visuals, rich colors, and seamless connectivity for your home theater setup. Number 6. Yauhody 8K HDMI 2.1 Cable. Cutting-edge audio-visual experiences. Introducing the Yauhody 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, a 10-foot certified ultra-high-speed cable designed for top-tier performance in gaming, entertainment, and professional setups. With support for 8K resolution at 60 Hz, 10K, 4K at 144 Hz, and 120 Hz, this heavy-duty nylon-braided cable ensures smooth, detailed visuals and fast refresh rates. Equipped with EARC for enhanced audio quality, HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 for secure content protection, and dynamic HDR for vivid, lifelike colors, this HDMI cable is perfect for monitors, TVs, and high-end gaming systems. Built for durability and optimal signal transmission, the Yauhody cable is your reliable connection for cutting-edge audio-visual experiences.